Distort your scene, warp your frame, and push your visuals beyond normal. Use it for that moment that grabs attention and then snap it off to get back to that clean image. The Warp Lens Filter is available in both the Helix Maglock system and our threaded filters. It's super nice on Maglock though, because you're not gonna wanna have this thing on your entire shoot, and it makes it really nice for adding and removing as you wanna warp the scene. The business end of this lens filter is convex and the back is flat, so if you are stacking filters, this one is going to have to go on the front. And you can fine tune the effect of the warp lens by adjusting aperture. If you're wide open, it's gonna be a subtle transition. And if you're fully closed down, it's gonna be a harder edge with a more distinct effect. The effect also changes with focal length. So on wider lenses, you're gonna have a bold, dramatic effect, whereas tighter lenses, you're gonna have a more subtle, less pronounced warp distortion. We also developed 4 LUTs for the warp lens, and that's gonna just really embody the dramatic feel that this lens and character has. It's gonna expand the range, just allowing you to capture a little bit different looks with those LUTs. Those are available on the product page for the warp lens. Perfection is subjective, warp it.